Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got to look at the Nike Adapt Auto Max. Before we get into the review, guys, thank you for watching, taking your time to have a look at this gorgeous face. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you'll keep up to date with our latest reviews and videos. I think I've got a stand for this, but it's a massive box. Before we get into the big unboxing, let's just tell you what we've got. So we've got the Nike Adapt Auto Max in anthracite black, and we got this in a US 8.5, a European 42, and a UK 7.5, and it's got the women's sizing as well, so similar UK and European sizing, 7.5 UK, 42 for European. It's a US women's size 10, and this is massive, and like, wow. I mean, it's similar to, we've done the Auto Adapt BBs, similar like builds, it's the same technologies. We're gonna talk about auto lacing shoes because you guys seem to love it, and we got another one. So we got more of the Nike Air Max version. This to me looks a lot more like the Nike Mags. From first glance you'll see like what I mean with the lacing like system, that I'll show you what it looks like, and this really looks like Mags in regards to being futuristic. These are really ahead of its time. Before I get into that, I just want to mention that this is going to give me some height, so let's get it open and I have to stand. So, oh, that's a nice touch, very nice. Tab, and there we go. It is here welcoming me. So let me just draw this out first. So Nike have like a little mascot for this. So as soon as you open it, you got the Auto Max, this box here. Let's give this one open, and we've got, the little toy. This is, I think his name is Auto Max. He's telling me hello, like most robots should say. And oh, it's a Medicom toy. So those are the guys that do Bear Brick. So it was made by the Bear Brick guys. Right there, I'll show you. And this is just all the wiring, like for the charger. So similar to the Auto BB, we've got another like charging plate. As cool as this is, we're not looking at the toys today. We're looking at the shoes. So there we go. Check that out. Ooh, I like the smell as well. It smells brand new. And there, this is gonna make me 6 foot. Now we tell our fellow YouTube watchers, you guys, we tell you that we're 6 foot. We're not 6 foot. Myself, Jeff, or Chris. Sorry, I'm just bringing out our heights, but this will make us taller, so that's why we bought these. And let me just finish it off. Charging plate. So it's like most of the Adapts, they have the same charging plate, I believe. So yeah, there we go. Nike Adapt Charger 1.0. So they're still on the first version. Let's get into the nitty-gritty now. So we'll start with the outsole. Now it's an all rubber outsole. Like you've got a more square looking waffle pattern here with the Nike swoosh in the middle going along the upper. So you've got this like TPU heel guard that connects right there. So it does connect to the sole unit, sorry. But this midsole unit is just screams Air Max to you. Look at that relatively big air bubble right there. Similar to like the Air Max ones that you'll find with the 90s. It's like a similar shape and build. You've got the 2 pillars there in the inside. The midsole unit is split between the same material of rubber that makes up the outsole with this foam. And you've got that anthracite green blend that makes the coloring. and I think that's really nice touch that it reflects the TPU green support here. And you've got this all like synthetic upper material that makes it, and it does give you that futuristic like vibe. It feels, and it looks like foamy, velvety, and whatever material the Nike mag is, I think it is the same one. Let us know if you're lucky enough to have a Nike mag in your possession. I want to know what that material is like, but it looks similar to that. And obviously this is the black colorway, so it's a nice toned out version, and like I said, it complements that green. It gives it a nice oomph, very nice flavor. Now rounding off the like mudguard area is this plastic as well. It is TPU as well. Nike swoosh on the medial and lateral sides of the sneaker. And why I say that this is like a Nike mag is because of this lacing. If you've seen Back to the Future Part 2, it's like a similar build. Like you'll pull it and you have this really nice cushiony tongue here. Just looks luxurious, even similar to the mag. But this is to throw you off. I think it's just aesthetic purposes anyway. This is just to make it look good, make it look nice. Because the auto lacing system here is similar to the Nike Adapt BB, where it's all underneath this padded unit. So this is heavily padded to protect that lacing system. So underneath you've got like little pulleys, and they're pulling it. We can't like cut this open and expose it, but if you've seen our Adapt BB, we show you what it kind of looks like, because it looks external and you can see the pulley system working with like little strings pulling it down and making it fit your feet. Go check out that video as well, like if you're interested. Go more into the sneaker. So it's a nice padding, ankle padding here, pull tab at the back, and the heel counter. So you have the Nike Air logo there, and it's like this real nice emerald green, as I mentioned. Nike swoosh on the lateral sides, yellow, and I'm pretty sure this is like Nike's way of embracing the future. Like not everyone can get a pair of Nike mags, so we can do a pair of Auto Max. I mean, it's within reason. Like, how much is a pair of Nike mags? They're like, on resales must be 50k, even more I'd say. But this is more relatively within everyone's grasp. This is like still at the Nike website at the time of this video of us recording this. It's around £300. We got it for $339 at the sneakers app. So if you are interested in getting a pair, you can try it out, test it out. I do encourage you guys to test like Nike's new innovations, because it's a really cool experience to have. It's really cool, like just to be part of that future build, what Nike's trying to like sell to you guys, I guess. We're going to show you guys how the self-lacing system works, and you don't have to use these two buttons here in the midsole unit. Let me just tell you what it does actually. So it's a plus and minus, so similar to the Nike Adapt BB. The plus tightens, the minus loosens, and it lights up as well. So it incorporates the same technologies that the Nike BB Adapt has graced our feet with. And as I mentioned, it is like for like, it's the basketball shoe in regards to the technology used, but in regards to the tech, it's different, because you've got this like air bubble unit that's exposed, similar to like all Air Maxes, and the grip is more different on the Nike Adapt BB because that's designed for basketball. I wouldn't suggest you running these like a running trainer sneaker, but this is gonna like turn heads. People are gonna be like, yo, those are so weird, what is that? And as I mentioned, I bought it just to be taller, to give me that 6 foot advantage. So I can't wait to show you guys how it works. I can't wait to try it on, and I can't wait to be taller. Guys, if you're too lazy to reach and press some buttons, download the app and do it. So like the auto adapt BB that we've done in the past, we use the same app that we've downloaded for that. We just added the shoe and it's easy. Similar mechanics. Swipe the right up to tighten, swipe it down, swipe left to do the same to the left shoe, and you can customize the colors as well of the lights. So we got purple here, fully customizable. This is the future for Nike. Guys, this is an absolute delight to wear. Like it is really comfortable. I'm paying those big bucks for comfort, really. Like downside, I would say, is that you can see my toes. It's not at the end, but I've got a bit of space there. But this is the right fit for me, I would say, because I don't want my feet all the way in the toe, just like grazing the top. But the auto lace feature, so that was really easy. You saw as soon as I slid my feet in, it like tightens to the shape of my foot, what it needed to be, and that was Nike's auto adapt feature. It's similar to the auto adapt BB. As soon as you put your feet in, the shoe like generates and can calculate what the kind of tightness is needed for your feet. And I did play around with it a bit, but I think as soon as I put it on, that default mode was the right fit for me in regards to like the tightness, sorry, and what needs to be, how it shapes the inside as well. Unfortunately, like I mentioned, I don't want to like cut it and show you how it works, but it's not visible. But this is just for show, like these pulled tabs here. It's all working underneath. I can feel it, it's around here in the side. So these bits here are where the pulling system is coming from, and you can feel it. You can feel it there. As you can see, guys, this is like wearing heels as well. Like I look tall if we were to show you my profile here, but these are gonna like turn some heads. These are gonna stop some people, and they'll be asking you loads of questions. Where did you get these from? Oh my God, you're tall. How did you do that? And I wish I could show you how these are auto lacing, but you're gonna have to take our words. And this is the future, guys, like for Nike. Forgot to mention, guys, I'm not gonna lie, you can't really feel the air unit here it just feels like there's something here that's, I think it's this like little bridge here that is getting in the way, but I can't feel like the support, I can't feel the cushioning of the heel unit. But this whole upper is really comfortable, it's like hugging my feet. Would I say this is worth the £300 that we bought him for? No. If it was a bit cheaper, I will like recommend it for you guys, but 300 is a big price tag. So if you've got the big bucks to pay for them, go for it. It's a really cool experience. If you want to turn some heads, if you want to be a showstopper, then I suggest go for it. But if you're unwilling to pay, I mean, there's a ton of Nike products that you can buy that is more cheaper. Get an Air Max 90, you can feel that like OG Nike cushioning of the Air Max bubble, and you don't really feel that support here. But for like gimmick, it's a buy, it's a good buy. If you want to have like a Nike mag but you don't want to pay the price, get these. These are a really good alternative. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.